melt off. It looks like the water's a little bit murky.
Please like, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you would be a deer. So it's usually pretty clear?
Yeah.
It's a nice short walk.
Yeah.
You're literally overlooking the pools from the main street.
Yeah.
Here. There's a few little private pools. That one looks kind of murky-ish down there. But look, pours right in. Now this pool, it's a little hotter, maybe 98, 99. Oh, this is where the Root House coffee shop is. So the Root House coffee parking lot.
Looks like they have service now out to it.
Oh yeah.
There's a little one. There's a bridge you walk across.
So this is one of the Kush Kush pools behind the visitor center here. $20, $60 a day. But you can go over here for free. So this one looks a bit warmer. You could see the steam coming off of it. This is under the Tequila's restaurant deck.
That is nice.
Yeah?
That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah, that's about 102 or 3. Bubbling right up out of here. Ooh, that's quite hot. That's probably 115 or a couple degrees more. It smells like sulfur. There's a few more along the banks here. Well, you could see it coming out from here. That's how it's getting down in there. And then you could see all the algae and the minerals. There's a lot of good fishing here. It smells like a rotten egg, but it's kind of good because it's so hot.
Yeah.
Look at all those minerals just makes like...
Someone did make a pool down there. There's nothing that keep you from coming over, swimming over and sitting in there.
That's where we just were over there. So this is the mineral deposit. This water is super hot. I don't even know if I want to touch it. Oh, it's not that bad. It's only about 110. This magpie is trying to wake me up. Changing room. It's about waist deep when you're sitting. Couple other pools over here. The old Hippy Dip. Off before you go out. Just getting out of the Hippy Dip Hot Springs and feeling really so refreshed after having worked for the past few days. I was washing floors and bending down a lot, so my back was torqued. And once I stepped into that hot spring and stepped down in there and sat down, oh my God, it's just so worth it. Here in Pagosa Springs, Colorado, and I was just helping clean up this house that my friend is working on and flipping. It's been nice having the kitchen. going across the street from the Hippy Dip, across the bridge, and over by the log, where there are deeper pools.
How much is get in?
I don't know, but if you tell them you can't afford it, I'll bet they'll let you in anyway.
Oh, I like to pay. I got $2.
It's a love donation, then.
Yeah.
Curtains Up Pagosa, it's a non-profit theater company. They get professionals.
Looking over the hot springs that we just left in the San Juan River. And I just wanted to show you one of the sources to the one that we just were at. Coming to have a bite with Erika at RiffRaff. This is the local brewery. So yeah, the next morning I'm stuck and Cam comes to give me a jump. Thanks, Cam. For a minute. On the road again. We're going camping here at 006. There were a ton of bones eaten up around here. Mountain lions.
Coffee cookies?
Carnitas. Tortillas. Roasted over the open campfire. Slow motion. It is snowing. But that's okay. Movie time. Look what happened overnight at our campsite. Ugh, it's not that cold though. It's nice dry snow. I'll show you. Good thing we have this to keep us warm. Can't even see the mountains. There's a little snowman.
They rebuilt them.
This is the community center where you can take a shower for $3. Trying to get a little fire going here. And this is some gravy left over from last night dinner that I'm going to use to make some potatoes. I'm trying to get a fire going here, which will be on any minute. Got a salad, and I just wanted you to see this view of Wolf Creek Pass. I don't know if you could see all the little teeny trees up there. That's the ski area. And they're getting more snow now. Got the fire started and dinner's on its way. Making some steak and potatoes. I have the potatoes in here already. Got my fire started. And I'm just enjoying the sunset through the trees. Ooh, ah, remarkable. Distance with the white snow caps. Cam's making some yummy steaks.
On the Dutch oven lid.
On the Dutch oven lid. And some shrimp inside the Dutch oven. I made potatoes with onions and jalapeno and salad, wherever that is. Yeah, we got a good Southwest salad. Sunset. Sunset at the Earthship Breezo. My friend Erika's Earthship. My Thanksgiving without my family, and thank you so much, Erika, for hosting Friendsgiving. Lots of love.
I'm missing you at
And
home,
yumminess.
Ashton, Robbie, Tim, Dax, Sullivan. I love you
So
all
this is
dearly.
the Pagosa Springs area. You can see there's a lot of pull-offs here. Somebody left their garbage. Some cute little log cabins. And this is heading into the town of Pagosa Springs. This view was filled with snow yesterday. You can see just a little bit off in the distance there. Just a powdering last night up in the elevations. And brew house. This place is Meander. We had a beer by RiffRaff and this amazing eggplant sandwich with a tangy sauce. Can't start it again, so I'll soak. It's about 102 in here today at the Hippy Dip. Just getting my morning soak in.